Welcome to RoadflyTV, your latest automotive fix from RoadflyTV.com.
Hi, I'm Stefan Utsch. I'm the project manager, sales and marketing of Porsche AG within the product line Panamera. I'm happy to present to you now the all-new Porsche Panamera. Every engineer involved in this project was clear from the beginning the Panamera has to be a real Porsche. So this leads me to the first thing of my presentation, the whole new car concept of the Panamera. The wheelbase, which is 2.92 m or 115 inch, offers a good opportunity to put like a roomy interior in it, and also we have, which is typically sporty, like short overhangs at the front and at the end of the car. It's lower than its competitors, it's lower and a little wider with 1.93 m, which equals 76 inches. And really to understand the concept of the Panamera, you see here the yellow line is the cutaway of a 911, the red line is the cutaway of a Panamera. The seating position for the driver is identical. So that means sitting in the Panamera feels as if you were sitting in a 911, and this is also true for the steering wheel. Very sporty, typical Porsche. So this brings me to the second part of the technical highlight presentation. As I said, it's a broad variety of using opportunities between, on the one hand, very sporty driving and on the other hand, very comfortable driving. So actually, and this chart would like to show this, is that you get three different cars with the Panamera. So the Panamera offers three different driving characteristics. And these 6 systems of the car change according to the wish of the driver. If he wants to go in the sports mode, which is standard on each Panamera, or wants to go in the sports plus mode, which is part of the I-Option Sports Chrono package. So let me start with the adaptive air suspension. So for example, if you go like normally in a comfort mode, this is actually the integrated air volume, and you have this big size, big amount of air. And if you push the sports button, there's a little valve in between that shuts off the upper part of the air volume. So you just have this lower air volume, and lower air volume of course means stiffer suspension. A second element that changes according to the driver wish, on the one hand very comfortable or on the other hand very sporty, it's the Porsche dynamic chassis control, which you probably know from the Cayenne 2nd generation. Another element, as you probably know, the Porsche stability management. For example, if you push the sports button, it allows you a little wider drift angle, you know, having more fun on icy roads, on a parking spot or something. And then we have this Porsche traction management. It's with the Panamera 4S and the Panamera Turbo, we have this hang-on 4-wheel drive. This is totally flexible concerning the performance, concerning if the strengths are going to the front axle or to the rear axle. The power ratio is flexible. Then, which is also new to this segment, the Porsche Doppelkupplungsgetriebe, as we like to say in German. So the double clutch system. So, and again, this system offers this wide variety of using opportunities. On the one hand, you have this comfort drive. If you just start slowly, the first and second gear is meshed. So you would not even recognize the change from the first to the second gear. On the other hand, and I hope the weather conditions allow it today for you to experience it yourself, the Porsche Doppelkupplungsgetriebe offers this launch control function. So you have to experience this better than I explain it, and I just tell you a short figure. 0 to 60 miles per hour with the Panamera Turbo is just 3.8 seconds. And then again, also depending on the button, you know, sports or sports plus button, if you push it, the engine changes. So for example, you can realize this by the direct response to the accelerator pedal if you push the sports button. So to sum it up, very important to understand that actually according to the mood of the driver, the weather conditions, or maybe also if you are alone with the car or have your grandmother with you, you can decide, is it rather a really comfort drive or do you want to go really sporty with the Panamera? So, as already was mentioned yesterday, we have this 19 miles per gallon, which is true EPA rating, which is true for the Panamera S and 4S, and 18 miles per gallon, which is still good for the Panamera Turbo, and for no model any gas guzzler tax. And of course, reduced miles per gallon reduce the CO2 emissions. So I think, well, I'm actually very happy that we were able to do best-in-class performance and also best-in-class fuel consumption or best-in-class miles per gallon, which is true for the Panamera. Thank you very much for your attention. I invite you, please come to your local Porsche dealer and check it out, the new Panamera. Thank you very much.
RoadflyTV.com, the internet's best resource for buyers, sellers, and owners like you.